Understanding the recovery phase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, recovery phase. This is a term you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your comprehension of English. So, let's dive in. The phrase, recovery phase, refers to a period of time during which things are returning to normal after a difficult or disruptive event. This could be in the context of economics, health, sports, or any situation where there has been a disturbance or a problem. It's the process of regaining strength, stability, or functionality. 1. Health and medicine. After an illness or surgery, the recovery phase is when the patient gradually regains health and returns to their normal life. 2. Economics. In a financial context, a recovery phase happens after an economic downturn, where the economy starts growing and stabilizing again. 3. Sports. Athletes go through a recovery phase after intense training or an injury, where they rest and rehabilitate. To fully grasp this phrase, let's see it in action. The country's economy is now in the recovery phase after the recession. She is currently in the recovery phase following her knee surgery. The team has a week-long recovery phase before the next tournament starts. That's all about the recovery phase. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. See you in our next video.